Hey, Big Rich here. So today we're going to do a little Nest unpacking. Bought a new thermostat. The old one in the house went bad. Been looking at these for years. Got a lot of smart house stuff going on, but quite honestly couldn't choke down $250 for a thermostat. But decided to do it and see if we can get some benefit. So let's see what we have in the box. So nice looking box on the Nest thermostat. Slide that off. All these companies today, right? They do a great job of all the electronics and packages and all that. I would say the Nest is nested nicely in the box. No play on words there. So we pull it out, nice little plastic covering, and there we have it. We got the Nest. I picked the silver version, right? So this is the Nest Learning Thermostat. We'll talk a little bit about the new E version of it in another video, but let's keep looking here. So we got, looks like the interface connector that must connect to the wall plate on the back side, and we've got a USB port, I assume, to reprogram the Nest and maybe even do some charging. I've read some of the articles online, so very nice. Feels solid. If you haven't looked at one of these at the store and turned the dial, nice little feature. Looks like we have a installation instruction manual. Professional installer. No, that's Big Rich. Professional installer here, baby. Can't wait to get going on this one. And some other items in the brochure, right? I've obviously done my pre-research, and so there's a wall plate that mounts to the wall, right? The wires actually, I'm going to take out, it's got a little instruction sheet here. Can't read what it says on it. Turn off power. Yeah, turn off power. Good advice. I think Big Rich will probably do this today because I don't want to damage the Nest, nor do I want to damage my furnace when we do the installation. So let's just pull out that little piece so I can show you the rest of it. So it's got a wall mounting plate, and again some quick connections for the different circuits here. And again a couple of holes on the front side to mount the Nest to the wall. Kind of old school retro, right? Round look versus rectangular. So that's nice. In the same case, look at that. They even give you a screwdriver to make the connections. Now I know why it cost $250. I think I could have used my own screwdriver. Could they have saved me 10? But nice little screwdriver, solid carrier. Just more surprises in the box. Some mounting screws. Looks like they fell out of their little holder. To mount the wall plate to the wall, I'm assuming. And I'm not sure, so this is nice, they actually give you a wall plate, right? So my old thermostat is rectangular. If you have a lot of damage to your wall behind it, this would come in handy, I guess, to mount and cover it. I think I like the retro look of just the Nest right on the wall itself, but we'll see what my wall looks like when I get to it. So it comes with a nice little wall plate and a backing plate. So again, it seems to me like they've created this whole slotted pattern. I haven't read the instructions yet. So this would actually mount to your wall in this wall plate, and then using the existing holes that are there, so you wouldn't need to add any additional holes. And then this plate goes over the top, and the Nest mounting plate would mount to this plate, so you wouldn't have to put any additional holes in your wall. And this thing just keeps on unpacking here. So we have another bottom piece, and there are screws, little tiny screws in the bottom plate, and I assume these screws, they look like they're the same thread, right, for the adapter plate if you choose to use this. So again, I think these are just the mounting screws to screw the the Nest wall plate into the mounting plate if you choose to go that way. Otherwise, you mount this right to the wall. So that's the rest of the unpacking. A lot of pieces. Looks like a fun project. So there you have it. The Nest Learning Thermostat. I think this is version 3. That's the sitch with Big Rich. Make sure to subscribe and watch the rest of my YouTube videos on the Big Rich channel. Have a great day.